Charan! Look guys, one of my fashion. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan po. Because I love modeling. Ayan po yung aking outfit for today. Ayan, I wanna show you guys my crop top na nabili ko po for only 75 pesos. Ayan, I really love it guys. So, ayan, pack na pack yan. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga niyan guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang, may pangrampa na naman ako guys. Pack na pack. I really love it. Ayan oh. I really love the grand color guys. Ayan. And also may ano guys. Ayan. Ang ganda. One of my favorite color. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack. Ayan. Because I love modeling. One of my fashion guys. Ayan, I want to show you my new bikinis. Ayan, for only, ano guys, 3 for only 250 pesos. 3 pieces siya guys. Ayan, 3 pieces siya. Ang ganda. Ayan po, the grand color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Ayan po yung aking bikinis for today. Ayan, ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan guys, ayan. Medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking body guys. Ayan, yung aking likod medyo nag-shape na siya guys. Because of doing exercises every day. Ayan, my problem guys is my tummy. Ayan, the red color. Ayan po guys, yung ating red color. Ayan, napakaganda guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Ayan, one of my favorite color, the red one. Ayan guys, ang ganda niya. Ayan po. Ayan. Pack na pack. Look guys, ayan ang ganda ng ating likuran. Ayan po. Other color. Ayan guys, ayan. The last color guys, ayan ganda ng kanyang color. Ayan oh, I really love it. One of my favorite color guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako guys. Ayan, feeling maganda na naman ako for today. Ayan po, ang ganda ng aking outfit for today. Ayan po. Pack na pack. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating, ayan, frog color. Ayan po yung ating ano guys, napakaganda. Ayan, pack na pack. I really love it. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan po yung aking bikinis for today. Pack na pack yan. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Ayan, pack na pack yan. I really love it.